Kingdom Plumbing is the trusted choice for drain repair in Henderson, Nevada, offering expert services for a variety of drain issues, from minor clogs to complex sewer problems. Our team provides reliable, high-quality repairs, inspections, and maintenance while ensuring energy-efficient solutions to keep your plumbing in top condition. Are you looking for a drain repair services in Henderson, Nevada? You can stop looking. You found Kingdom Plumbing. What are the signs that I need drain repair in Henderson, Nevada? Signs that you need drain repair in Henderson, Nevada include slow drainage, foul odors, gurgling sounds, and frequent clogs in your toilet or bathroom. If you notice water pooling or water damage, it's important to get your drains inspected to avoid more serious problems like sewer backups or pipe damage. How much does drain repair cost in Henderson, Nevada? The cost of drain repair in Henderson, Nevada, depends on the severity of the issue and the extent of the damage, ranging from simple clog removals to more complex pipe replacements or sewer line repairs. At Kingdom Plumbing, we provide clear estimates upfront, ensuring no unexpected costs arise during the repair process. What is the service area of Kingdom Plumbing? Kingdom Plumbing provides services in various locations around Nevada, including Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Sunrise Manor, Summerlin South, Paradise, Henderson, Boulder City, Mesquite, North Las Vegas, Enterprise, Whitney, Winchester, Mount Charleston, Sandy Valley, and Blue Diamond. Where is Kingdom Plumbing located in Henderson, NV? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road 110, Henderson, Nevada 89014. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website at www.kingdomplumbing.com/areas-we-serve/Henderson-NV.